that most of it is fruits. Like that. Daddy, you want some more?
No, you gotta calm down.
He's using 2 lane. Sometimes in the middle of the road. We're following through. I can go underneath. I could fit. Watch, he's gonna use two. I don't know where he's going, the farm. The traffic. Look at that. I got that. You overpass on him. Double yellow light.